You did it. You worked hard to build your vision. You put in the long hours. You've solved countless problems. But sometimes, your tools don't match your ambition. We get it. That's why we've built Extensions. Fusion 360's extension framework lets you add what you need for whatever space you're in. From design to manufacturing, to fabrication or industry features like generative design. Our goal is to empower your process. Regardless of what you do, Fusion 360's extensions are built to expand your capabilities under one platform. With focuses on machining, generative, metal printing, and nesting and fabrication, there's something for everyone. Explore our extensions to discover your new possible.